Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. How have you been? It's sunny but windy as hell and cold at the same time. Let's start with the reason for this video today. Today, I'm gonna share with you my tips to surviving Swedish winter. This is gonna be my third winter in Sweden. Yes, it's gonna be my third winter in Sweden. So let's get into it. You know, in Sweden, they have a say that goes like this: there is nothing like a bad weather, only bad clothing. And I agree with them. It's only bad clothing. You have to invest in your clothes. You have to invest in your clothes. So things like, I want to practice my Swedish. I have to be learn to speak by speaking, right? So this is mås. You have to always wear your mås. You have to wear your heavy, thick jacka. And you have to have a turtleneck troja. And some hand scarf. That will help you. And of course, thick ones. So I have this and I have another one to put on. Let me see. Yeah, I have another one to put on. Is in my bag. So I have 2 hand scarf. That's to practice my Swedish. Yes. So first thing is invest in your clothes. It's very important. The second thing is try to get the best shoes, guys. Shoes is important, especially the waterproof shoes. During winter, during midwinter, when the snow is melting a little bit, it becomes really nasty and muddy kind of. So if you don't have good shoes, you will not be able to freely walk outside. And it has to be waterproof and windproof. Get that. Know that. The third thing that I will tell you that has helped me to survive Swedish winter is being outside. You see, even though that's the amount of sun we can get. That. See the sun? It's underneath the clouds. So yes, it doesn't matter how cold it is. When you see the light, get out. Get out to enjoy the little light you see. It will help and change your mood big time. Trust me, it will help you big time. So make sure you get out. It doesn't matter the weather, the temperature, the condition. If you see the light, try to go outside. I'll tell you to do that. It helps me. I walk every single time I get a chance to get out. If I can go out for a walk with my baby, she's right there, with my baby, I will go out. I don't mind if it's raining or drizzling or it's super windy or it's minus degrees. I will go outside. So yes, make outside activity your daily routine. The other thing that I will tell you to incorporate in your life is going to the gym. Go to the gym, sweat if you can. It's not for me though. I'm not a gym person. I once signed up to a gym and I went once for a year. It was a year subscription and I went once. So I'm advising you because my partner does that. So you can go to the gym. It will help you. Go to the gym, sweat it out, and it will be something that will help you survive winter. The next thing that I would suggest you do that has helped me though is social life, physical social life. Go out, meet those people, go for a drink, go for a coffee, go for a walk, go to the houses. Do not kill your physical social life. Meet people, talk, joke, laugh. It is very, very healthy. It will help you, trust me. And that is very important during winter. So make sure you can still meet people physically. The next thing I will suggest you do, and do not miss this, is make your home as cozy as you can. Make your home as cozy and nice and very good to go back to. Or if you go back home, you don't feel depressed. You feel, oh my God, this is nice. This is really good. Swedish people like candles a lot. They have a lot of candles at home. So if you can get to have home with good candles, good light, and they love lighting. Oh my God, that's one thing that I got surprised when I came to Sweden, and I still cannot handle the amount of lights that Swedish people have in the house. They like lighting. They like lighting. So the lighting in the house is always top notch. So yes, make your house as cozy as you can. The next thing that I would suggest you do, and this works for me as well, make sure you take your supplements. Girls, boys, guys, supplement is important, especially the sun is not there. Midwinter, you can imagine that now we see the light and then it will go down at 3:30 maximum, max 3:30, you're back to darkness. It's like a pitch dark. So no sun, nothing. Vitamin D3 to be specific. If you forget your supplements during winter, you will regret it. So I will say get your supplements no matter what. The next thing I'll suggest you do, and this is also what I practice, eat healthy. Make sure your balanced diet is on this upper scale. Eat healthy. Make sure you eat everything that your body needs. So yes, good diet is needed. The one thing that I would warn you though, and this is also a tip that you need to look into as well, is avoid alcohol. It's really, really easy to get into alcohol addiction during cold season. So avoid as much as you can drinking alcohol if it's not necessary. And by not necessary, I mean if it's not a celebration, if it's not something you want to drink to pass meeting time with friends for once or twice a week, don't do it. Don't get involved in too much alcohol. It will ruin your health, your life, your self-esteem, everything will be ruined. The other thing that I will give you as a tip to surviving Swedish winter will be sleep. Make sure you enjoy your sleep, no matter how short it is. Go to bed. I know during winter you get hooked up into those TV series. You watch the TV series until late at night, until mid-morning, I don't know, but try to avoid that. Sleep. I'm a mother. I know it's hard for parents out there to get their sleep, but at least it's something involving a child. It's not like you're sitting there watching a movie and time goes, and then when the baby wakes up, you have no energy. Enjoy your sleep. The sleep is important. Guys, those are my tips that I've used for the past 2 winters and this third winter in Sweden. They've worked for me, and hopefully they will work for you. Anywho, if you can subscribe to my channel, that will be amazing. And comment below if you are in a country that is as cold as Sweden, usually dark by 3 o'clock. Tell me, what are your tips? How do you survive winter? What helps you to survive winter? I had to come to do some final Christmas shopping, and it will be so unfriendly if I don't wish you Happy New Year. Don't forget to comment below though, subscribe and share the video, turn on the notification. I'm in a place called Backaplan. It has really, really easy way to navigate between the shops, so that's why I come here since I discovered this place. Love you guys. Happy New Year.